Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to mark all chats as read in Telegram. If your Telegram is flooded with notifications and those little unread counts are driving you nuts, by the end of this video, you'll know how to clear them out in just a few simple clicks. This is perfect for anyone who's switched devices, missed a busy group chat, or just wants to tidy up their Telegram inbox. Let's get right into it. First things first, take a look at your Telegram chat list. You'll notice on the right side of each chat a small number. That number signals how many messages you haven't opened yet in each conversation. It could be just one, or in the case of energetic group chats, it might be dozens or more. These numbers are Telegram's way of saying, hey, you've got something to catch up on here. But sometimes you already know what's in there, or you just don't need to go through every single one right now. That's totally okay. Here, what you're going to do, move your mouse pointer over any chat that has one of those unread counts. Now, this is important. You don't need to open the chat itself, so you won't accidentally send a read signal to specific messages, and you won't lose your place in a busy conversation thread. Instead, just hover over the chat and right-click. On most computers, that means pressing the right-hand button on your mouse or trackpad. Don't worry if you've never used right-click in Telegram before. It's a handy way to reveal a menu with some extra options. When you right-click, a small menu will pop up with several choices. What you're looking for is the option called Mark as Read. Go ahead and click on it. Now let's pause here for a quick moment. You're not just marking the main chat as read, you're marking every message inside that chat as read too. Imagine it's like checking off an entire to-do list with just one click. That notification bubble will vanish, and your chat list instantly looks cleaner and more organized. You can repeat this for as many chats as you like. If you've ignored a couple group conversations, or if you have private messages you just don't need to review right now, simply right-click and mark as read on each one. It might take a few moments to go through a long list, but soon enough, all those persistent numbers will disappear. Plus, you can always come back and read any conversation later. This action just removes distractions and helps you focus on what actually needs your attention right now. A quick tip, if you accidentally mark a chat as read and realize you needed to check something, don't worry. You can still open the chat and scroll up to see all your old messages. Telegram doesn't delete anything when you do this. It just removes the unread badge from your chat list so everything looks neat and in order. And that's it. You've learned how to quickly mark all your chats as read in Telegram. It's a simple step, but it really does make a difference. Your notifications are now under control and your inbox feels a little less overwhelming. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Telegram tip you want to see covered. And of course, make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on more easy tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.